Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to install R and RStudio. If today is your first time here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will not miss any video that will be notified anytime I upload new videos. Alright, so let's go to Chrome and search for R download. Once they come, let's look at phone. So we are looking for your downloading. Let's click on it, and then this is the latest. Once you click on it, the latest version will come on top. Just click on it to download. Once it's downloaded, let's also do RStudio. RStudio download. Down to this here. Let's click on it to download. Let's go to download. Download RStudio desktop. Once our download is ready, let's go and install. So we have the R here. Let's just double click. English, yes. Yes. Let's install. Yeah. Let's just accept the defaults. Yes. Create a desktop shortcut. Mostly I don't like creating desktop shortcuts. But if not, leave it this way. I don't like that. Yes, so once our installation is done, let's just click on finish. So we now have R. Now let's go for RStudio. Let's double click to download and to install. Alright, RStudio. This should finish within some few minutes. Alright, RStudio is properly installed. Both the R and RStudio are ready. Let's open the RStudio and do some customization. Okay, so this is the interface of RStudio. It's too bright. I always like dark. So if you want to, if this is not okay for you, you can also customize it by going to choose, then choose global option. When it comes to editing, choose what works for you, what is best for you. You have different. Once you choose it, you will see the preview here. Good. This is okay for me. You can check all others, the ones that you are okay with. Select okay with this. The ones that you are okay with this. Just come and click on apply it, and you click on it. Thank you for staying with me. Can you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any